With an emphasis on lifetime prevention, the dental practice of Drs. Jeffrey Perlman, Alan Seidman, and Melanie Newman offers your family comprehensive dental care in the convenience of one location. Drs. Perlman and Newman specialize in the dental treatment of children and adolescents with an emphasis in prevention and skeletal growth and development. Drs. Perlman and Newman are also on staff at the Washington County Hospital to provide dental services for children in the operating room. Dr. Seidman can handle all of your adult dental needs, including cosmetic dentistry, root canals, implants, dentures, and more. From the simplest of fillings to full dental reconstruction, your treatment will be customized to provide optimal appearance and function. Good dentistry is more than excellent clinical skills and state-of-the-art equipment. Establishing lasting relationships with our patients based upon mutual trust and open communication is an important factor. We invite your questions and value any suggestions you may have. Working together, you and your family can have the smiles you've always wanted. Appointments can be scheduled by calling 301-797-6950 or visit us on the web at www.drsperlmanandseidman.com.